To get access to CloudConnexa, you'll need to create an account first. Just head over to openvpn.net and click the Get Started for Free button. You'll see it either at the top or in the middle of the page. After you click it, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password. You can also sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. For this video, I'm going to use my Google account. Next, you'll choose the product. Since we're working with CloudConnexa, I'll select that option. Then you'll need to enter some basic information like your first name, last name, role, and country. I'll go ahead and fast forward through this part and come back once it's done. After that, click Continue to Setup. This is where you'll choose your Cloud ID, also known as your Wide Area Private Cloud, WPC for short. Keep in mind, you won't be able to change this later, but you can always add additional Cloud IDs or WPCs to your account. For this demo, I'll just use OVN Demo and then click Create WPC. And that's it. Once your WPC is created, you're all set to start using CloudConnexa.